This market maker profile over on Bitcoin signals for a $180,000 to $200,000 Bitcoin. Also, we broke out of this very important neckline here on the inverse head and shoulders. We perfectly retested this and now we're gonna take off. Also, I'm in some very big trades which are in a very big profits here. Also, we're gonna discuss some very important charts about Ethereum, some on-chain data, and some other altcoins. But first of all, please make sure to follow me over on X to never miss something once again into crypto. And please make sure to like this daily update video if you love those daily update video and hit the subscribe button. And please make sure to join our free community here in the description. It's completely free. You can join it without hesitation here. I'm sharing there very high confidence setups, which I'm not sharing over on X or YouTube. So it's exclusive alpha here. Also, I am sharing my altcoins for this bull run over in this Telegram group. So please make sure to join this one as well to always be updated about the crypto markets. And let's dive right away into the chart for now, because it's really exciting to see. We created this inverse head and shoulders pattern here. So we saw a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. And we created a neckline, of course, and which is very important about a inverse head and shoulders pattern here, is that you break out of this neckline and perfectly retested it. And after the retest, the expansion comes towards the upside, and that is exactly the phase we are in right now. So we retested this inverse head and shoulders perfectly here. We retested it and now the expansion phase is in. And if we pull some targets from off this inverse head and shoulders pattern, we can easily bring the price towards the 140, 150K here, which is massive. So don't sleep on this chart, because this is one of the most bullish things I have ever seen in crypto and over on Bitcoin. Also, a really important chart that signals that Bitcoin could go towards a 180 towards 200K here. The market maker profile hits it here. What we can see is that we distribute here, then broke down towards downside, and we had accumulation on the lower side. Got that expansion towards the upside, the second accumulation, which is exactly what we are seeing right over on this image right below. Also, another accumulation, and after that last accumulation, we got that expansion towards the upside here and the distribution at the top. So I am predicting here that Bitcoin will hit 110 to 200K here. If we see those prices, please make sure to distribute, take some profits off the table, because this is massive. So the next leg is starting and it's gonna be a very big one. So don't sleep on these setups here. Also, I'm in some massive positions, which are in some massive profits here. You can see that I'm in an Ethereum trade. I added on that one as well after yesterday's video, because I was so bullish on Ethereum. Currently, we're 9.2K in profits with a realized P&L or 6.7K here. Then we are in a small Pepper long, which is running pretty good here. We have another Ethereum long open here, which is approximately 7 Ethereum in profits here. And also a Bitcoin position, which is combined approximately 0.21% in profit. So we are running massive profits here in the last few weeks. If you not want to miss out on these profits, because all these trades I have shared over on my Telegram group, so please make sure to join my free community. It's completely free and you would have missed out of this setups because I literally shared it right over there. So please make sure to make the right decision here. Also, what we can see is that we created a bull flag pattern, and we talked about this in some previous videos. But right now we are sitting at the top, which is resistance, but we're so close of a breakout here. If we currently are seeing a breakout towards the upside, a retest, I am able to open up some very big positions. And that is why you want to be in the Telegram group, because if I open up these big positions, I'm sharing it right over there. So this is massive. We're currently getting rejected by the top side, but we can see every single time we tap the top side, we saw a move down. But currently we have so much momentum going on that this is the chance to break out. We have enough momentum to break out towards the upside here. And that is what we want to be seeing, and I am anticipating if we see so. Also, if we look at Ethereum, a very important thing is happening here, because every single time we set a recent top here, the RSI was overbought. Every single time, the second time we set this top approximately at 4K, the RSI was oversold. But currently we are sitting almost on 4K above those highs, and what we can see is that the RSI isn't even close to the other tops here. We have literally much room to go towards the upside here, which will signal for a Ethereum price of approximately $5,000. And that is why I am in such a massive long position on Ethereum, because I really think that this is the sign. The momentum isn't in the market yet. If we got that momentum in and we were near these tops, we maybe can get some move towards the downside. But we're not even close. So this signals for me that Ethereum has way more room to go towards the upside. And I am betting on that heavily here. And I'm putting my money where my mouth is, of course. And all these trades are running in a profit. Also, something very important to get back is that Sharplink Gaming just added another approximately 11,000 Ethereum towards his holdings. And that is approximately $43 million, which pushed their holding towards 530,000 Ethereum, which is worth more than $2 billion. And this is a really good sign to see that some big institutions are investing into Ethereum, are backing Ethereum, put their trust into Ethereum. And this is just the beginning of Ethereum. So the on-chain data, the trust is massive on Ethereum. And the chart also looks very, very good here. So I'm betting on that heavily here. And something I really want to be pointing out here is the IOTA chart. What we can see is that we create resistance on the top side and support on the lower side. And we are squeezing towards the edge here. But what I am anticipating on is a breakout towards the upside, because I really think that IOTA has a very big chance of a 300% gain here. So what I want to be seeing here, I'm looking my eyes on this chart as well. I want to see this chart break out towards the upside, retest it, and then open up some massive positions. Because if this chart break out, Ethereum set this high, alt season is probably gonna begin here, and you want to be positions in the market heavily here and bet big on those altcoins with some big trades. So this is a coin I'm really looking for to buy spot and open up a swing positions, because this chart looks very promising here. And that's why I want to discuss this in this video. Normally I don't talk about altcoins, but this one is really setting up for a really big move towards the upside. And that was it for today's video. Please make sure to follow me over on X to never miss something into crypto once again. And subscribe over on my YouTube channel, like this daily update video, and join the free Telegram group. And I will see you tomorrow, guys, by a brand new crypto daily update video.